Hi everyone, welcome to the batch upload credit memos guide. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to upload your credit memos into the Xoro system. So basically, this is part of preserving your AR aging. You can upload invoices, but in addition to that, you can upload credit memos for customers as well. So this will help preserve those balances for those customers. The first thing you want to do is go to the upload credit memos module. And basically, similar to the other uploads in the system, you're going to want to follow the steps laid out in this module. So you're going to download the template, enter the data, and basically upload the credit memos. Before continuing with the upload, you're going to want to make sure that you've selected the right offset account. So a credit memo is basically it's going to credit the accounts receivable, and it's going to debit an offset account. So in order to do that, it needs to select an offset account to debit. So if you go to the accounting module here, I just came here from the app config, and just make sure you select your income and expense account for miscellaneous charge. Typically, this is an opening balance equity account or a suspense account that you use while bringing the books over. So you want to make sure this is selected before you upload any credit memos. So once that's been selected, just go to upload credit memos, and I'm going to download the template here. And let's go ahead. I'm just going to show you the blank template. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to put in a store code to associate your credit with. So you can go to the store center and determine what your code is, and basically that credit memo gets associated with that store or inventory set. You're going to make sure that the customer name is exactly the way the customer name is in Xoro. Otherwise, the credit memo won't get picked up. You can put in a date. If the customer is a foreign customer, you can put it in a non-unity exchange rate, so an exchange rate that's not 1. And you're going to want to put in a normal decimal value, a positive decimal value for the credit here. So I've actually got a sample template that's been filled out. So I'm actually just going to I'm going to add an extra character to the customer just to show you what kind of error it'll give. It won't let it go through. So you have to make sure that the customer matches exactly. So let's go ahead. Let's try to upload the sample that I just saved. So if I click on sample, verify and upload, click on upload credit memos. So it's actually going to give me an error. So none of the credit memos went through because of the error. So let's download the file. Let's see what the error is. And so it says no customer exists with this name. So I added that extra character at the end there. So let me go ahead and fix that. So in your instance, you're going to want to make sure the customer matches up exactly. If necessary, you can create the customer. So let's save this file and let's try it again. Click upload credit memos, and this time they've gone through.